Hey, what up? My name A. Lee. You know, I kind of consider myself like a Tyler Perry slash Ricky Smiley type person. You know, I'm good at making people laugh and impersonating people and doing like little odd skits or whatever. You know, just looking for that big break. Today I want y'all to listen to a little skit I did by a character I made up. Her name is Bethany Womack, and Bethany calls the scooter store because Bethany wants to know why or what she have to do to get her a scooter. This is a live agent online, and listen to it. Check it out.
Thank you for calling the scooter store. How may I direct your call?
Hey, I want to get a scooter chair.
Okay, give me just one moment.
Do you think you can get me a scooter chair?
I don't know if we can get one for you, but we can definitely take your information down and find out.
Because I am so tired of getting mugs. They keep sending me coffee mugs and magnifying glasses. And baby, I need a scooter. I can barely move around. What I'm gonna do? I can't put nothing in the coffee mug because I can't move to the sink.
We've sent you coffee mugs, you said?
Yes, a scooter store coffee mug. I need a chair, baby. I need to be able to move around. I can't get to the sink to fill a coffee mug up.
Okay, what is your name?
Bethany.
Bethany?
Yeah.
What is your last name?
Bethany Womack.
How do you spell the last name?
Womack. Oh, excuse me, baby.
Okay, can I also get you to verify your phone number for me?
My phone number is 770-627-1131.
1131?
Yeah, my phone cut off right now, but that's because I can't get up to go pay the bill. I'm in the bed right now. My neighbor got the cordless phone on my house trying to help me out.
Oh, okay. What is your neighbor's name?
Lucille.
Okay, thank you. Alright,
Lucille done got her chair. I don't know why they won't give me my chair. Lucille, she bring out her chair. She doing way better than me. She got a nice car and her house better than mine and everything. So I just don't understand why I can't get a chair.
have you tried to get a chair before?
Yes, ma'am. I keep trying to get a chair and they keep sending me mugs and magnifying glasses. Every time I need a chair.
Are you getting mail from the scooter store?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. They sending me a whole bunch of mail, but they keep talking about, take some form to the doctor and get a form filled out, and then they gonna see if they can get me a scooter.
That is the process that we go through.
Well, I need to get a scooter in advance.
In advance, we actually couldn't do that for you. You'd have to go through the steps. You'd have to go through the whole program, which is...
I thought the scooter store helped people. And they say Medicare denied, then your scooter is free.
Well, what they mean by that is, if once we get you through the whole process where we say we get all your insurance information and the insurance shows that it will pay, and then at the last minute they decide that no, they're not going to pay, at that point, well then that's where the Guaranteed Freedom program kicks in, and you'll get the scooter. And once it's delivered, you'll keep the scooter. We're not going to take it back from you. That's what they mean by if Medicare doesn't pay. If for whatever reason they originally say they're going to pay, but then they change their mind and they appeal it, and it's already been delivered, then you keep the scooter. That's how that program works.
See, I think, you know what, baby? I think I need to talk to Lucille because Lucille's husband be doing that cricket stuff. And I know somehow they screwed up some stuff to get that scooter for free. Because Lucille and I'm telling you, Medicare ain't pay for that. She got the same plan as me, and I'm older than her. That bitch has been, oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I'm sorry, but she terrible. I I just don't understand. Hold on, she coming. I gotta stop talking about it. She coming down the hall right now. I gotta stop talking about it. Yeah, Lucia, they act like y'all won't give me no scooter, Lucia. I'm still trying to get a scooter, girl. What time Harold gonna be home? Maybe he can help me do this thing because the lady real nice on the phone, but I just need to find out how to get the scooter. You know, I'm not gonna sell the scooter or no stuff like that, baby. I just need it.
Yes, and I understand you what you're saying. You're telling me that you're in need of it, and
They can put a GPS tracker on my scooter. I'ma keep it at my house like house arrest.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, that's not something that really concerns us. We just want to make sure that your insurance will pay for it. But in the process of trying to get the insurance to pay for it, you also have to see a doctor, and the doctor has to prescribe the chair to you. Now, once the chair has been prescribed, you will have to do an evaluation, what is called a mobility evaluation. So there's a lot of paperwork that's involved that has to go through the doctor and through the scooter store. So it's a bit of a lengthy process. So it's not something that you're going to be able to get like a scooter in advance, like you were maybe thinking.
So can I rent a scooter then?
Unfortunately, no, we can't do that. Not for short term anyway. Do you have your insurance information with you?
I can't get up.
Okay. Is there anyone there that can help you get your insurance information? Because we can key it all in and see if it tells us whether or not your insurance is contracted.
Lucille keep running in and out. Cause she sell liquor to the little young boys in the little projects. And they keep coming to the door.
Oh, okay. Okay, what is your zip code?
Where's the zip code? Let me take over the zip code over here and get a piece of this. I think 30133.
Hey, what city is this in?
I stay in Georgia.
It's in Georgia?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the city?
The city, Rockmont.
Okay. Okay, so what are you wanting to do tonight? What is it that we're going to do for you today? Are you wanting to go ahead and give me all your insurance information?
Yeah, hold on, let me get somebody. I'm gonna try to call her name real quick to see if she hit me on the dollar stack. Lucia! Stop acting like that, girl. I know you hear me. Lucia! Bitch. Lucia! Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I apologize.
Yes, sir.
I apologize.
Oh, is the voice that bad?
No.
That's because my throat and I think it's messing with my cataracts too. Y'all, they act like they don't even give prescriptions for marijuana for your cataracts over here.
Oh, they don't?
They told me I gotta move to California.
Yeah, I think they do that in California for sure.
I need some of that. You smoke?
No, I do not.
Smoking bad.
Yeah.
But it tastes good.
Well, I'll have to take your word for it. Were you able to get somebody to help you with your insurance?
No, do you want to call me back? Or can you,
I actually am unable to make outgoing calls, but you are more than welcome to call us back, and anyone who answers the phone can help you.
Can you pre-approve me my credit good? I got good credit score. Cause Junebug and them behind cell phones in my name for like 6 months, and I know they pay the bill on time.
Okay, unfortunately it doesn't work that way. We wouldn't be able to do it that way.
What city are y'all in?
We are in New Braunfels, Texas.
Do you think if I could get somebody to come up there, you can hook them up like in the back door or something? I give you a little bit of money and then a little bit of the other stuff.
What other stuff would you be talking about?
Girl, stop playing.
Hey, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Follow me for more upcoming skits and little prank calls that I'll be having. Thanks for looking.